An investment policy statement is a document that sets the path and rules that the investor will follow to achieve financial goals while meeting diverse constraints. Goals need to be expressed in terms of return and risk. Return objectives include capital preservation, growth, and income generation. Risk objectives represent an investor's ability and willingness to take risk. As for investments constraints, liquidity needs, time horizon, and tax factors need to be accounted for. There are also unique needs and preferences that need to be part of the policy statement. For example, a focus on sustainability and impact investing. Once constructed, the IPS will be used in three ways: to establish and follow a strategic and tactical asset allocation, to compare the portfolio's performance against financial goals, and to adjust it as necessary. Once an IPS is in place, it should be reviewed at least once a year.